Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. Stay home, stay safe. In previous month or in previous some videos and lecture, we have studied about our two chapters. First one was rational and irrational number, and second was parallel lines and transversal. I remember that one point is remaining from last topic. We will take that in online lecture, okay, in Google Meet. Now we are going to start our new chapter, indices and cube root. Indices is the topic which you studied in 6th and 7th standard, and cube root is little bit new because you studied squares and square roots, okay. Then firstly, recall indices. Rules of indices. What is the meaning of indices? Indices means the multiplication form. Multiplication form means 2 square. That is the 2 into 2. 2 cube. 3 times multiplication of 2. Similarly, 4 raised to 6. This is the raised to. It's called raised to. Reading is raised to. Okay, 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. 6 times 4 means 6 times multiplication of 4. Okay, this is the base. This is the base. And this is the raise or power or index. Means if a raised to n is your example, then a is the base. A is the base and n is the power, index or raise. Okay, and reading is a raised to n. A raised to n. This is the basic of indices. You know very well that. Okay, now some rules. Rules for indices. There are 8 rules of indices. Main 8 rules. Which are that? We will see. See, your first rule is when base is the same, but indices or index or power is the different, and both are in multiplication form, then a raised to m plus n means addition of power. Addition of power. This is your first rule. This is your first rule. For example, see, 2 raised to 6. 2 raised to 6 and 2 raised to 4. That means 2 raised to 6 plus 4 equal to 10. This is your answer. Okay. Then second rule. When bases are same, but indices or powers are different and operation is a division, then subtraction of indices. For example, it will in the form of simple division also, or in the form of fraction. See, 2 raised to 6 divided by 2 raised to 4. Bases are same, only indices are different. So 2 raised to 6 minus 4 equal to 2 raised to 2. 2 raised to 2. 3. Okay. Third rule. A raised to m raised to n. A raised to m raised to n equal to a raised to m into n means multiplication. Power of the power. It's called power of the power or index of indices. Like this. For example, 5 cube raised to square it's called 5. 3 into 2, it will 5 raised to 6. Okay. Then fourth one, A into B. See, A into B, two different numbers, different integers, and their common, they have common index. Then we can write separately like this. For example, suppose, or this is vice versa also, if bases are different but indices same, then you can write in this way also. Means you can go this way or this way also. Okay, see here, 7 into 8 raised to 6 equal to 7 raised to 6, 8 raised to 6, like this also. Similarly, this is applicable for division. A divided by B raised to M equal to A raised to M divided by B raised to M. See, these two rules are for same basis but indices are different, and this is exactly opposite. Here indices are same but bases are different. Okay. Then sixth one. Here, suppose you are like this, it's called inverse power, and it will A raised to minus M. Similar, for example, 1 upon 7 square. 1 upon 7 square is the inverse 7 raised to minus 2. 7 raised to minus 2. Then 7 here A raised to 0 equal to 1 means 0 power of any integer is the always 1. 0 power of any integer is always 1. Remember, see 7 raised to 0 is 1. 1000 raised to 0 is also 1. Number doesn't matter here. 7 upon 3 raised to 0 is also 1. And last one, here A raised to 1 is the A, means first power of any number is the same number. Okay, understood? In this video we are going to learn indices rule, and these are the basic indices rule. We will take some examples for that. See here, suppose you have one example, 8 cube into 8 square. Then how to solve this? You have to use firstly any one law of indices which is proper for this example. So this is the application of A raised to M, A raised to N equal to A raised to M plus N. Write down that particular law firstly, and then do 8 square equal to 8 raised to 3 plus 2. It is 8 raised to 5. This is your final answer. This is your final answer. Then second one, 8 raised to 7. 8 raised to 7 divided by 8 raised to 5. This is the form of same but in only division is here. Write down firstly that log, okay, equal to a raised to m minus n. So a 8 raised to 7 divided by 8 raised to 5 equal to 8 raised to 7 minus 5 equal to 8 raised to 2, or 8 is the square, square of 8. Okay, suppose you have example like this, 5 upon 3. 5 upon 3. See, two different numbers are here, so we can't apply any rule of index. But if you have like this, 1 upon 3 raised to 7 means this is the inverse. Write directly 3 raised to minus 7. Okay, then 4. Suppose 6 cube into 2 cube. 6 cube into 2 cube. You can write here also like this. A cube or a raised to m into b raised to m equal to a into b commonly raised m. So 6 cube into 2 cube equal to 6 into 2 raised to 3 means 12 raised to 3 is the similar to this. Understood? So solve your activity given on page number 14 and also write indices rule before this and examples also. Okay? Thank you.